Hello, people of the interwebs. I don't know why I wasn't talking, but, yeah, hello, people of the interwebs. Today we are going to be doing a Minecraft Rebirth of the Night survival thing. I was just checking some stuff out in creative mode. I really want to kind of go in blind, but I did check some stuff out of the creative mode. So, sue me. Yes, sue me if you must not. Or must. I'm not gonna do a hardcore. I might do a hard in the future. Yeah. No cheat. Just a bunch of mods. Sorry if you could hear my computer fan, which you probably can. It's loud because it has a lot of stuff. You need to clean the fans out, but like, never do. I want to, but we never do. I'm gonna like try not to use the Google or anything that much unless I have to. But if I have to, I will. I jumped in this. So yeah, a lot of mods, as you can see. There's Hazelnut, which just kind of says that in the bottom left-hand corner. I could turn my render distance up a little bit. I don't know. I didn't know I'd be running it as good as I am. Whoa, you can climb trees. Huh, I'm a ninja. Can you climb all the trees? Or can you just... Maybe that one has, like, vines on it, but something doesn't want him to show. I don't know if this has a carpenter mod or anything. Because, I don't know, it's just a lot of mods that I, like, know almost nothing about. So, yeah. Cacti. Timber! I got 4 pieces of... I have just enough items. I have the just enough items mod. In case I want to know how to craft something, because, you know, you have like 47 pages of stuff. That's a bit. Okay, wait, willow trees are in the game, by the way, I guess. So, will me this, will me that. My health looks a little weird. I'll give you that. Wait, what? What's the shaft? I'll experiment what the shaft is in a second. Whoa, oh yeah. By the way, they updated some of the textures. What's a sword look like? A sharp... a sword. Swords don't exist. Sharp sticks. Does a wooden sword still exist? Sword. Or am I just being dumb and like don't know how to craft a sword? I think they replaced it with a sharp stick. Let's see what a shaft is. And a shaft can be not mined, but made back into a stick. Shaft. I will shaft you. Is it just like a placeable stick? Why do you need to place your sticks? What placing your sticks? It's getting very scary. Whoa. Wish I gave you more. Wish I gave you the amount of wood you deserve. What does this do? Well, I could put, whoa, hazelnut. Hazelnut consumable? No? Is it consumable? Actually, I think this is, because, oh no, I'm not hungry. But it says it might be. Well, I don't know what it means, but, oh, next to a cave. I don't know, I'm scared I'd spawn on an ocean or in a desert. See, this adds a lot of new stuff, like, I have like over 200 mods now. It was that, it had like a, 199, but then for some reason I have like 217 now. And I just have this mod pack and I think Optifine. I am noticing some. Okay, I might need to turn that down a little bit. I don't have a gaming computer. Don't judge me. Ugh. It's a crab. There are crabs mean. Ow! Ah, wait. I'm bleeding. You little crab. Oh, that broke in one hit. Ah, I have an axe. You get what you freaking deserve. Murray Phillips. I don't know why I just made him. Is this a witch's hut? A witch's hut still in the game, or is this just like a rebirth of witch's hut mod? I don't know. I just haven't seen one in a while. Might still be in the game, just rare. Ah, she made angry bats. Because that's... Oh, wait, no, I'm poisoned. I thought the bats were attacking me. And I was like, oh, so angry bats are a thing. Whoa, she got a lot of potions. Just gonna do this so I could... Wait, okay, I'm gonna... They don't... we could just put this, this, and this. You're a pretty kitty. He's a pretty kitty. Okay, I'm just gonna like strength I'll take and some damage I don't really need. Speed, strength, just a health. Cause I know she has like drinkable potions of poison. I don't get why you'd want that. Like, I don't know why you'd want to do instant damage to yourself. Okay. Hi, little kitty. That is a weird troll. Oh, look, I'm at full health. Totally took no damage from that witch fight. Yeah, I'm not sure. Stupid grass. And you have mushroom. Who knows? I might steal this witch's hut. Depends on where life brings me. I swear I heard like talking. What are you? I know you're guess. Are you making all that noise? Who are you? What are you? Why do you have a sword? Are we friends? Follow him. Do you like me? Joeen. I thought it was a grass spirit. What? I want to hit it, but I also don't want to make it mad and kill me. Because he looks friendly. And he also looks like he can murder somebody. I'll keep him there for now, but if I must kill him, just see. Here's another one. It's a cove spirit. Oh, okay, if you click on them, you give them names. Now it's Louise. And they make weird sounds. I mean, their sounds are perfectly normal sounds. Maybe. I don't know, I'm not really an expert on whatever you are. Ooh, are you guys scary? I'm just gonna assume everything's out to kill me for a little bit, so if that annoys you, sorry, but that noise is definitely gonna kill me if I go anywhere near where that noise is coming from. Hey, what's your name? Warmer. Whoa, is that a black pig? Yeah, sorry I'm acting like so whoa about everything. I like this. I'm sorry, pigs are the best animals. But I need to kill you. You also get a name real quick. I request your meat. Do you just drop pork chops, or do you drop like a special food, like a new modded food? Okay, you drop me prime pork. Okay, that's a little different. Sorry, it feels like I'm just like not like mining or trying to get a house or anything. I'm just like trying to find out like, whoa, what is this mod? Whoa, what are you? What is this? Groshroom. Okay, different. Black graphite. It's like the footsteps sound different. Is that redstone? No, it's copper ore. Okay, wait, let's... I don't know if what I need to mine copper. Is it gonna replace pickaxes with something. Oh, that's an axe. That is an axe. Pickaxes get to say pickaxes. Okay, no, that's graphite. I want regular old stone. Are you stone? It retextured a lot of things. Shirt. It's not stone. Are you standing on? I assume copper ore isn't rare. I am sorry, but now you can't live another day now that I have the damage. Oh crap. Ah, die, you foul beast. I totally didn't hurt you first. You know, well, it started it. Ooh, it's like long chicken. Raw prawn peacock. Yep, done. Ooh, totally looking at my inventory and not checking how long the video's been because I don't want to accidentally make it too long. Let's see if I can mine this. If I can't, oh well, I guess. Oh, harvest level iron. Okay, it tells me. That's not. What? I didn't pause it. Okay, it just paused itself. Whoa, it's a peacock. What is that? It's an oink oink. Are you a different kind of pig? You're an old spot sow. I'll let the old spot sow live. What are those noises? What are you? A kinder doe. You guys look. Isn't doe like a female deer? Why do you guys sound like goats and look like goats? Are you regular stone? Does regular stone exist, or did I get a stone be gone mod? Well, I don't know. Can I do anything with chart? I have 2 chart. Can I make a hoe? That's the ultimate test. Can it make a hoe? Can make a hoe. We could probably make other stuff. Bow, 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 bow. That's gonna be like my way of testing of what stuff does. I'm getting hungry. I still have my things. These. Kind of wanted to cook it, but what's that? What's that? I get well fed. Did I eat all of that? I had like 3 pieces. Now I don't. I ate 1 though. Like, did I somehow just, like consume it all? Also, I noticed when I was in my creative world, the cacti look cool because it spawned me in a village. I mean, not in a village, in a desert. Do villages have anything cool? I wonder. Peahen. Hey, look, peahen. Don't ask what that noise was, because, well, I'm not exactly sure. Are you guys more of these headed people? Jink and Ivana. I don't know how to. Okay, now they're both attacking me. I just want to know if you guys would attack me. Confirm you will, and I probably should have planned for this better than I did. What? Okay, that's actually a pretty cool. Now all of them in the area are gonna try to murder me. That was a mistake made by me. I tried to mess with those lads. I don't want to make a shovel. I want to make myself a sharp stick. Ah! I thought the durability sucks. And that's, oh gosh, oh god. I'd rather make an axe or something. Cause I don't know what, I'm at half of a heart though. Help me. Something. I'll give you money. Oh, I just lost blood. Oh. YouTube, don't get mad. It's just blood. I don't have to worry about YouTube getting mad. I don't make money. I do this for fun. Okay. Okay, those guys are scary. It's only day 1. I should maybe have started doing stuff. Ooh, these ones fall down, so it looks different. One, two, ready, go. Pa 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 pa. I really wasn't planning on making a video of this, and I decided why not. Yep, the whole thing's gonna fall. Well, that could happen. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't turn keep inventory on. I guess that happens. I think I lost some of my stuff, but not all of it. Well, it's raining now, though. And it's becoming night. Yeah, apparently trees can kill you. I need a pickaxe. Gotta watch out to not get murdered by a falling tree. But so far, this is a pretty nice mod pack. I'm pretty sure it also improves the nether. Okay, don't kill me. Yeah, definitely didn't keep all my stuff. Ooh, wait, what's that book? Oh. I was gonna make a crafting table, I got distracted. What's that crafting table? I will make this. Yeah, I'm just gonna use an axe for now because, well, the other things, durability, no, it just doesn't. Whoa, fire sword. How do you make a fire sword? You take a fire and you take a dagger bone. See, I don't know nothing about this. And it's raining. And it's pouring. And there might be an old man snoring. Okay, this is... Can you make chalk armor? I'm gonna do the hoe test. It's my... I'm trademarking that. That's how you test when you're mods. Because, you know, it only requires 2. I guess like a shovel test would be even quicker. I don't know what that was, but I broke it. Mud. I don't like that mud. Ah, I got mud balls. Can you throw mud balls? I don't know how much damage a mud ball does. I already have the crafting table placed in here. Why did they make another? Is it like on peaceful or something? Hard. Really funny if I accidentally put it to peaceful. Oh yeah, it's not even night. Why am I like, you know, mobs? Do I still have that glow mushroom? No. Oh yeah, it took away a lot of my potions. We're making baby noises. Chalk coal ore? That's just regular coal, yeah. Glow limestone, why is that? Okay, cave spider. Well, you're not a cave spider, you're a regular old spider. Yeah, I called you old. Oh, that's so slow. And I'm in a web. I wish I had a sword. I will give you a carrot if you let me go. Now that gave me salmonella poison. Okay, I lost nothing important. Okay. But still, like, B-Day again, please. I thought I would be fine. I'm not fine. This isn't fine. I need wood. I need to not die. Because not dying is kind of important. It's kind of important. Oh, bird, don't die. Oh, actually, yeah, thanks for dying. I get your... I'm gonna steal the witch's hut. Because Scrooge McDucket, you know? Get it? Because instead of Scrooge McDucket. Anyway, but I am gonna get that because that's my new house, at least until I decide to build a better one. I need to kill sheep. You still need to follow the basic Minecraft laws, I think. Let's give me a special door. Yeah, ooh, a new door. Never seen before door. Raw fish? No. See, look at those harmful drinking potions. Like, who would do that? Maybe it's just there to trick people. Like, ha ha ha, you thought you were being cool. Well, you weren't. Okay, that's my new house. I claimed it. I just really want cobblestone. Like, come on. Usually that stuff's easy to find. This isn't fun, this is scary. Minecraft has become a scary game and I don't support it. Vote for Colonel Sanders. Today. Oh, today? Yeah, today. I must get back to the house. You know, this stuff kind of looks like cobblestone. And it has cobblestone in the name, so maybe it's like, kind of like cobblestone. You know? Just me and my baby. Yes, it is. A big stone stuff. I want an ox. I want a sword. I want to see if that'll just be another sharpened stick. Or does it just not exist? Okay, that's how you... Yeah, I just forgot to sell sword. There's an iron sword. There's a stone sword, which is made from any type of cobblestone. Well, obviously it doesn't accept any type, because my type is like... Well, yeah, because I tried to like bobbity-bee. Bobbity-bee. Make a shovel. Why can't I just make... It advertises it as any type of stone. As you can see, it takes cobblestone. Let's see. This is my kind of cool. No. Can I make a pickaxe? At least, like, I want to do something with it. Stone pickaxe. Okay, I want your shield. Oh, wait, did he just break a block? And is he being a little less zombie-y? I don't know. The zombies get a nice overhaul update thing. I don't know, something's pinching me. I thought it was a crab, that's why I said something's pinching me. Then it wasn't a crab, so there was a skeleton chasing. Something is causing me physical harm. There. Can't go wrong with that sentence. Only jeez. I'm dead. Here lies me. I'm gonna let them break down that door. Ah, jeez. Calm down. Please, like, I would appreciate it if you just stop trying to kill me. Ooh, parasites came out of it. Or, who dropped an ender pearl? What? I just made contaminated food. I was hoping it would turn me into a zombie. Sorry about that. Gosh. Parasites came out as a zombie. I ate bad food. I put the door on wrong. Oh, I am becoming a zombie. I have wither, I have plague, I have bad luck, and I have slowness. And I'm dead. I withered away. Oh, at least I won't have wither anymore. Or plague. Right? I don't look plagued. But I could save this to make an Eye of Ender. Somebody politely dropped it. You want a cool name? Well, I don't know how to say that. Why are you just laying on the ground? Oh, you're sleeping. No, piggy! But the piggy's fine. He just went back to bed. But the tree spirit, he dropped a cat skin. What? My tree spirit. He was so cool. My hand tickles because it's falling asleep. Okay, I like how these guys are taking naps. They know how to play. What did I just pick up? I picked up a peacock feather. Thought I saw a spider. Maybe go one. You know, haunted tool. Don't fight haunted swords, people. They're swords and they know how to use them. I'm just kidding. Fight them. What do they know? They don't even know how to use themselves. Ow. I'm gonna say the sting. But I guess it does like 0.5 more damage, and I think it's a little faster because I think higher number is faster number. What's that? You heard my fear. Yeah, okay. You heard the horror in my gasp. I don't think I've ever really gasped at a creeper. That was my first. Oh, sorry, I punched. Yeah, that was my first genuine gasp at a creeper. Are you my friend? Hey, you're the one I found earlier that I thought died. You're not dead. You're walking around making baby noises. Are you hurting my little tree spirit? You hurting him? Who is getting beef with Epiglottis. Yeah, your name is Epiglottis now because I don't know how to say your name. Who has beef with Epiglottis that needs to be taken? Oh, you look so cool. I love pigs. Who has beef with you, Epiglottis? I heard you screaming. If anybody got beef with you, we can kill him right here. Because I have my previously possessed sword. And I could climb trees. Of the willow varieties. I'm rapping. Not crapping. I'll stop. You think I'd be stopping? Okay, I'll stop for real. Or will I? Any sort of cobblestone. Wobble. I see you. Oh, wait, I guess I don't because I thought that was... But I see you for real edition. I think zombies are scarier. They attack better. They know how to use their hand weapons better. Is that lava? What's lava do? This is green? Okay. It's greenery. That was weird. Just froze for a second. Ooh, what is that? Probably needs like harvesting level diamond or something. That's obsidian? Well, harvesting level obsidian. So definitely need diamonds for that. I can't see anything. I really can't see anything though. I don't got any more things. I think it takes everything up here away when you die. So maybe you only keep putting them down here. Look, I'm going back up. This way though. But this is where I came from. Well, who cares at this point? I'm just trying to get out of here. These are my torches for how to get. They will guide me. I have a system going on. If you don't like it, we'll go consume donkeys. I am not picking up like any of the stone. I don't know why the footsteps make it feel like a completely different game. No. It's already been 32 minutes, so whoopsie. I'm gonna end this video because it has been a couple seconds and I don't like it. What? Is that a fish? Anyway, yeah, I am going to give myself some lighting so I could end this video on a good note. If you guys enjoyed, then consume a donkey. If you guys didn't, then don't consume a donkey. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. If you want to leave a comment on how I can make my channel better, do it. If you just want to say go rompa, do it. I don't know, just do something.